Hi there, I am your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today we will learn about the top herbal rinses to cure bad breath fast. Number 1 is the peppermint rinse. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural antibacterial compound that kills odor-causing bacteria, provides instant fresh breath and reduces oral inflammation. Steep fresh peppermint leaves in hot water for 10 minutes and use as a warm rinse. Number 2 is the clove mouth rinse. Cloves contain eugenol, one of nature's strongest antimicrobial compounds to fight oral bacteria, reduces gum pain and eliminate deep, persistent odors. This is perfect for strong morning breath or after meals. Number 3 is the sage gargle. Sage is one of the best herbs for oral infections. Sage is antibacterial, it tightens gums, reduces inflammation and helps with post-nasal drip. Sage is superb for chronic bad breath linked to sinus issues. Number 4 is the parsley chlorophyll rinse. Parsley is rich in chlorophyll, which neutralizes sulfur compounds, which is the main cause of garlic and onion breath. Blend parsley with warm water, strain and rinse your mouth for instant freshness. Number 5 is the cinnamon mouth rinse. Cinnamon kills the bacteria responsible for volatile sulfur compounds, VSCs. Studies show cinnamon extract wipes out odor-producing bacteria more effectively than many synthetic mouthwashes. Number 6 is the green tea rinse. Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that reduce harmful bacteria. It also lowers inflammation and supports gum health. Cold brew green tea makes a refreshing all-day rinse. Now for a DIY recipe for a herbal mouthwash. This is a powerful, natural mouthwash that kills bacteria, hydrates the mouth, and keeps your breath fresh for hours. Herbal Fresh Breath Mouthwash Recipe Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon fresh or dried peppermint, 1 teaspoon dried sage, 2 to 3 whole cloves, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder or 1 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, 2 drops food-grade tea tree oil, optional but strong. Bring water to a boil. Add peppermint, sage, cloves, and cinnamon. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and steep another 10 minutes. Strain into a glass jar. Add honey or tea tree oil if desired. Let cool completely before use. When it's ready, swish 1 to 2 tablespoons for 30 seconds after brushing. Do not swallow. Store in the fridge for up to 5 days. This rinse kills bacteria, reduces gum irritation, and keeps the mouth fresh naturally. Bad breath can be frustrating, but with the right herbs, you can fight it naturally and safely. Please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before using herbal remedies, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Persistent bad breath may be a sign of infection or underlying health issues. Seek professional care as symptoms continue.